The next experiment next technique which we are going to discuss is the evaporation. As you all know what the evaporation actually is. Evaporation is the process in which liquid gets converted into the gaseous state on heating, right. So this is what the principle we are going to use in it. So first of all you should know where this method is going to be used. This method is going to be used in case of a soluble solid which is to be separated from the solvent. For example, to demonstrate it, I have taken the salt, right, in a petri dish. I have taken a china dish as well, it is empty. I have taken a water, I have taken a beaker and stirrer. This is a tripod stand that you can see. It is used to keep the things which is to be heated. This is the wire gauge. This is the spirit lamp which we are taking, right. So first of all, to explain it, I am going to make a salt solution, and you know that how we make a salt solution. We take a water, I am adding into a beaker, right. I am taking a salt, just adding a few, you can say this spoons of salt into a beaker. You can see that there is a salt, right. I am just stirring it to make a salt solution. So just I am stirring it. As we know, the salt gets completely dissolved in water to form a salt solution. So it will take few seconds to get dissolved, but finally it is going to be dissolved, right. So I am just using a stirrer to dissolve it. So now we are no salt molecules are almost left on the floor of the beaker. All the salt molecules are actually occupying the spaces between the water molecule, or we can say it is dissolved now, right. So can you get to see a salt at the base now? No. So that means it has turned out to be a salt solution, right. So now I am going to separate the salt and the water again, means a mixture back into its components by the use of the process evaporation. So for this I will be taking a china dish, right. I will be putting the solution into it, right. I will be placing this china dish on over the wire gauge because I have to heat it. So the next I am going to just light the spirit lamp. So I am just lighting the spirit lamp. As you can see it has catched fire, right. So it started burning, it is just burning. Its flame will actually take a time to just come up. Okay, so I am just heating it because I have to continue till heating until we see there is no water left in the dish. So what is going to happen? We will heat it. What it is going to do, all the water which is present in this salt solution will get evaporate. As we know, the liquid changes state into the gaseous state when we heat it, right. So it will take a little time the flame to reach over it because it is a spirit lamp, not a gas which we are using in a kitchen, right. So it will just pick up that heat, the water will pick up that heat, will overcome the forces and just changes into the gaseous form, and the residue which will be left behind will be a salt. So we have to continue this heating for a few minutes.